If you are thinking about switching to cybersecurity, I will need you to pause for a second. Because in this video, we're going to break down what cybersecurity really involves, why so many beginners get stuck early, how to know if cybersecurity actually fits you, the mistakes people make when they start too fast, and how a free cybersecurity class can help you get clarity before you invest time or money. But before we go any further, please like this video, share it with someone who's considering tech, and subscribe to the channel for more honest career guidance. Cybersecurity gets talked about a lot. Because it's high demand, it has good pay, and it has stability. But what most people don't see is how many beginners get stuck early simply because they start without structure. Now let's talk about what cybersecurity really is. Cybersecurity is not an entry-level shortcut into tech. It's a responsibility-based field. Your goal is to protect systems, data, and people. You literally have to notice small details, think in scenarios, and stay calm under pressure. This is why many people benefit from joining our free cybersecurity class. We explain the basics clearly instead of throwing you straight into tools. It's totally free and there's no payment required. The link to join the free class is in the description. Now let's do a quick self-assessment to see if cybersecurity might be right for you. Ask yourself this: do I enjoy figuring things out? Because in cybersecurity, you spend a lot of time asking questions like, why did this happen? What changed? What doesn't look normal here? And here's something many people don't realize. Cybersecurity isn't just about technical skills. You document what you see. You communicate clearly. You explain risk in simple terms. And you follow procedures step by step. A lot of beginners miss this part. One of the most common mistakes is jumping into advanced tools too early. And when that happens, people get confused, overwhelmed, and eventually burned out. Jumping into advanced tools too early causes confusion and burnout. So let's make this practical. Here's a simple test you can try today. Open your email inbox. Find one email that looks suspicious. Then pause and ask yourself, who sent this? What do they want me to do? And what happens if someone clicks that link? If that process feels interesting, not stressful, you're already thinking like someone in cybersecurity. And this is important to understand. Cybersecurity is not about cramming information. It's not about learning everything at once. It's about steady, consistent learning, one step at a time. So don't switch into tech just because it's trending. And don't switch because someone promised fast money. Instead, ask yourself honestly, do I like problem solving? Can I stay calm under pressure? Am I open to learning step by step? Because the goal isn't to rush into tech. The goal is to start the right way. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe. And if you want structured guidance to start the right way, join our free cybersecurity class using the link in the description.